All right, it's homework help day 3, week 7, so let's get started. The first problem says, write each fraction in its simplest form, no calculator. Now take a look at the first fraction. It's improper, so we've got to divide to change it to a mixed number. The second one isn't improper, so we're going to do that a little differently. So 25 sevenths, remember just do 25 divided by 7. 7 goes into 25 3 times, which is 21, and subtract until you get your remainder and stop. And then remember to do the circle with your 3 numbers. So you start here, it is 3, you go to the here, and 4 sevenths. All right, that is your answer for the first one. Now 39/51st, at first glance you might be thinking nothing goes into that. 51 looks weird and 39, nothing. But you can divide both these numbers by 3, and here's how I know that. I don't know if you remember this trick from elementary school, but if you add the digits, 3 plus 9, so 3 plus 9 equals 12. And since 3 goes into 12, 3 goes into 39. Same thing with 51. If I add the digits, 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 goes into 6, so 3 goes into 51. So that's a neat trick to tell if 3 goes into a number. So I'm going to do 39 divided by 3 and 51 divided by 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13. 51 divided by 3, so I might have to do a little math on the side. 3 goes into 5 once, which is 3. Subtract 2, bring down the 1. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So my answer is 13/17 for this one and 3 4/7 for this one. Now, let's go down to the second problem. It says Jesse competes in hot dog eating contest. He can eat 32 hot dogs in 8 minutes. How many hot dogs can he eat in 12 minutes? Well, this one is a rate problem, so I'm going to set them up as 2 equal rates. So let me start here. I know he can do 32 hot dogs in 8 minutes. And it says how many hot dogs can he do in 12 minutes? Now, at first glance, you might not know how to go from 8 to 12. Now, yes, you can multiply it by something if you figure that out. That is fine. But what I'm going to do is I am going to reduce this fraction down to smaller numbers. And I know that 32 and 8 both divide by 8. So check this out. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 4 over 1 is a much more manageable number because I know 1 times 12 is 12. And 4 times 12 is 48. So in 12 minutes, Jesse can eat 48 hot dogs. Don't forget to label your answer. I hope that helped. Save any other questions you have for class tomorrow. Thanks, guys and gals.